Bless up people. Bless up my folks. All the birds. Only in New York City. Blessings, my people. Blessings, folks. It's me, your boy Element again. Let's take a walk with me today. Just got out of work, so I'm taking a light stroll. Give you guys a glimpse of the city over here. So, as I told you guys in one of my previous videos, it's supposed to be starting a building over here. So I guess the construction work already started, as you could see. Started construction work. This is the next building going up over there also. A lot of construction in the city, as you could see inside. This is inside of the building. Excavator doing the digging and placing the pipes and whatnot. Well, today is Friday, so you know that the streets is gonna be a little busy today. Folks getting out to work and these stuff, you know, so it's a little busy day today. This is Fifth Avenue, so they have the NBA store right across the street. Right over there is the NBA store. I have Hugs here. It's a busy day today. A lot of folks up and about. I think I'm gonna go down East 44th Street. I'll cut off Fifth Avenue. It's a little busy right now, so I think I'll as I said, I'm just giving you guys a little glimpse of the day. Glimpse of the city. Since I'm over this way, I just document a few places you guys could see. Over this side is Midtown. So I must do say though, I want to thank you guys again for logging into the channel, and I do appreciate the support. Please feel free to like, comment, share, and subscribe. So I'm between 5th and 6th and 44th. Over this way is a lot of condos and I guess business space and parking. I guess this is the parking over here. Parking is pretty expensive over this way though. Again, just a little stroll, my folks. Come along with me. Off for work on my way home, so pick up my camera. Make sure you guys get a little view of the city. I'm approaching 44th and Broadway right now. .44th and Broadway. We're at the square right now. So this is the square, Times Square. So over here is where you would have the ball dropping for the New Year. Hard Rock Cafe. Have Hard Rock Coffee over there.
Oh, fashion. Hey, little bit. Yes.
Famous Gap over there. Over there used to be Toys R Us back in the days, but I guess they swap it out for the Gap. Yes, my folks, so I'm over here in the square area, Times Square area, 44th and 45th, between. You have all the different characters out here, Elmo and all these guys. This is West 45th, sorry, West 45th on Broadway. All right, that is just a glimpse of over on the circle and the square. So heading back to my original path home. So I want to thank you guys again for tuning in. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Just a little glimpse of the city. Over this way in Midtown area.
This is my third double this week.
45th. This is the Museum of Broadway. Equipments, I guess. They have a performance coming up. So they're prepping their equipment. Well, I'm on West 45th right now. I'm heading to 6th Avenue.
Hey, can you move? I put some seats for the birds. So can you move if you want? I know you're strong. Excuse me.
All right, so this is 6th Avenue. On 45th. Well, folks, that was just a little glimpse of the city. Took you guys over to Times Square so you guys could see a little more over that side. And you know, I'm on my way home, as I said earlier. And I want to thank you guys again for tuning in. Do appreciate it. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I'll keep you guys posted in the next video. Respect and manners at all times.